we need to step into installation. Before we actually proceed for installation, let me recap the introduction part we did yesterday. Anyone missing yesterday's class? Please remind me after the session today. I'll be providing the video.
I was missing yesterday's class.
I'll be providing the video
Yes, sir, I was missing.
of yesterday's
class.
Anyone missing yesterday's class? Please remind me after the session today. I'll be sending the video, okay? After the class today, please. Nursing, John, please, okay? I'll be sending the video for you. I'll do sure. Of yesterday's class intro. I'll do. Yeah, let's get started. So we were learning yesterday, like what is database? It's a platform to store any type of data. There are various types of databases. We have OLTP, the yellow one, warehouse, the blue one, OLAP, online analytical processing database. Best example, Power BI. It supports OLAP, the red one, and HTAP, hybrid transactional analytical processing database, which is actually supported by data science projects. There are 4 basic types of databases, and today I'll be showing you how to install the first 2 types. OLTP, data warehouse. And I was talking about the job roles yesterday. Attendees are missing the class. Just remind me after the session, okay? I'll send the video to get some idea like what we do at our job. Remember, to work with databases, there is something called DBMS we need to deal with from today. Database Management System. It's a software to design, manage, administer databases. Different companies came with different DBMS into the market for last 30 years, 30 to 35 years. And we are choosing SQL Server from Microsoft. Why? Yes, it is comparatively easier, cheaper, user-friendly. And more than that, free support from Microsoft. For our classes from today, I request you to make sure you have 6 gig RAM, 10 gig disk space. Any OS is okay, but Windows preferred. If your OS is not Windows, something else like Mac, then again there will be some compromise in our examples and practice. My preference, Windows better. For initial 2 weeks examples, you may use my online server if you are using MacBook. But from 3rd week, good to have your own computer, your own Windows OS with you. Next. From here, what we do next? Yes, we need to download SQL Server. Let me show you how to work with the installation process. Okay, so these are the 5 items we did yesterday, the basic items. Now let's slowly start installation. I'll be showing you the installation now. I'll repeat installation, okay? And then we go for questions, please. After installation, we'll do it slowly. Let me show you the installation first. Repeat the installation next. Then we go for questions one by one, please. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Let's see. What we do, very simple, friends, observe carefully. If possible, please write your observation notes. If possible, please write your observation notes, please, if possible. Very simple, friends. I request you to write your notes I'll provide you the detailed notes anyway, but good to have your own observation notes, please. Safe side. Let's see. Here is my notes. I'll be mailing you after the class today. I'll be mailing you after the class. Here is the complete detailed installation notes. Please confirm you see my Word document, please. You see my Word document, everyone, please. Do you see my Word document, please? Let me know, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Great, thank you. Others, please respond. Please, let's
Yes, sir.
interact. Okay, please, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please help me. Perfect, perfect. Thank you. Let's get started. We'll go for questions after revision of installation. Let's go slowly. I'll show you installation first time. Okay. Second time, you will sing with me. And attendees who sing with me will have extra items for sure. And that's how my classes go always. Additional items for responsive attendees. Let's get started. What we do? Yes, I assume we are all very, very new. So what we do first, let's set up this server. Then something called tool, SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio tool. Then authenticate, connect. Let's do it slowly, step by step. What is that again? Server first, tool next. Then connect. Authentication means connect. Let's install the server. Latest versions. 2022, 2019. Any one is enough. 2022 SQL Server version, 2019 SQL Server version. These are the two latest versions. What do you do? Just click on this link, download. Once you download, next, let me show you. Here is just the overview, step 1, step 2, 3, 4. And Windows 8 or higher recommended. How to do the actual installation? Here it is. Download, then right click, extract. Remember, if you are using MacBook, enable Windows inside Mac. I'll mail you these notes to you today anyway. Enable Windows inside Mac or dual boot. In addition to your MacBook, install Windows OS. Now, let me show you the actual process of installation. Okay, very simple, straightforward process. What we do here, let's see. Firstly, download, right click, extract. Okay, then we get a folder. Then double click on the folder and double click on the setup file. Then we need to have this installation center. We click on left side installation, right side installation. Let me show you until here first. What is that? Once again, download, right click, extract. Double click on the folder, then click on the setup file. You see installation, new installation. Let me show you until here first carefully. Here we go. Download. And extract. Just wait. Okay. Yes, here it is. Firstly, download the given link. Download the file from given link. Extract. you get a folder. Okay, you get a folder like this. Then what we do, let's see. Double click on the file, this one. Double click on the folder, double click on this setup file. Click yes. Double click on the setup file like this. Okay, once you double click on the setup file, next. Installation, new SQL Server installation. You'll do the practice after the class. Please observe carefully. What is that? Installation left, new installation right. Okay, next. Once you click on installation left, new installation right, then next step. See, you get one screen like this. Please, shall I repeat once again until here? Are we clear so far? Please download, extract, double click, setup file. Please let me
Yes,
know.
sir.
Are we clear
Yes, sir.
so far, please? Yep.
Yes, sir.
Others, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great, thank you. Click next. If I need to repeat anything, please let me know. I'll do it immediately. Usually, I'll be repeating every example. Usually. And new installation next. Okay. Here, we are installing SQL Server free edition. There is one lifelong free edition, developer. Remember, if you are writing your observation note, that's really good. Developer lifelong free. There is evaluation edition, 6 months trial, 180 days. But developer edition is lifelong free edition. This one, it's lifelong free, does not have expiration. So go for developer edition. In case if you already installed SQL Server from online sources, it might be Express edition, but unfortunately it won't work for our classes from tomorrow. But how to check which edition I installed? I'll show you in another 15-20 minutes today. I repeat again, select developer edition during installation. What if you already installed SQL Server? What you do? We'll address that question after 15-20 minutes from now. Make sure it is developer edition for best results. Next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Back to my notes. What I did, installation, new installation, select evaluation or developer. Developer is best option. Accept licensing terms, uncheck Azure. Select database engine. Uncheck Azure, check database engine. Purpose of database engine, OLTP, database. What is OLTP, please? Please, you remember everyone? What is OLTP? Online
Transaction
Please.
processing.
Exactly. Online transaction processing databases mainly for live real-time data, right? Any example, please? Any real-time example?
Cricket match live casting.
Exactly. Our live session, live online banking, live cricket match, live online reservations, etc. Okay, first database type OLTP, warehouse to store old historical data, old cricket match data, old stock market data, old reservations data, etc. For OLTP and data warehouse, we need to choose database engine component. Let me show you these two. Back to my installation window. See, it says uncheck Azure, right? Uncheck Azure. Next. And next. See here, select database engine. Okay, here we go. Select the database engine for OLTP data warehouse. You remember I was mentioning some database called OLAP. You remember, please? Online analytical processing database, red color,
Yes, sir.
OLAP.
Yes, sir.
Here it is. Analysis services is for OLAP. Database engine is for OLTP, but in job descriptions, you will see rapid transaction processing. Experience working with rapid transaction processing systems means OLTP, remember. And also rich support for sustaining this one. High availability, right? This one means it ensures database is available 24/7. For now, select database engine and it requires 994 MB space. Next, default C drive, you can change the path, you can, no problem. Something. Give the installation, you can give default instance, mean installation name, instance name comes MS SQL Server automatically. Instance name is MS SQL Server automatically. Observe here. Or you give your own name. You give your own name. Which name? Any name is okay. It's up to you. I'll say SQL School Learn Lab. Give some name like, or simply say SQL School Lab. And click anywhere outside. Click anywhere outside, the same name comes copy pasted to ID. Now friends, from here very important. Let's observe it carefully. Okay, from here things are very, very important. Please observe things carefully. Good to write your observation notes if possible. Yes, here it is. This is your computer, okay? This is your computer. Inside your computer, I assume it is black in color for time being. Next. Inside your computer, I put this one. We are now installing something called SQL Server, right? This one. This is your SQL Server, the green item. Now, our requirement. Inside SQL Server, so this is your PC, computer, okay? This is your PC. Inside your computer, you are now installing SQL Server. Inside SQL Server, we cannot store data directly, not possible. Instead, yes, inside SQL Server, we need to have something called databases, remember. During SQL Server installation, a set of 5 system databases are auto-created. How many? 5, remember. These 5 system databases are auto-created. We'll see what are they and their purpose in next few minutes today. Additionally, we can create our own user databases. How many 32,000 databases we can create like this inside the server, remember. Okay, in this way, 32K, 5 plus our own user databases, total 32K. Inside your OS, inside your operating system, we can have up to 50 installations like this. In this way, up to 50. Okay, remember, up to 50 servers. Next, this one, up to 32,767 databases. I'll just put this one. Up to 32,767 databases. I'll take this one. I'll give you all these in the notes anyway. Okay, like this. Now, what is there inside database? Again, important. We cannot store data in database directly. Instead, what we do? Yes, we need to create something called tables. Okay, remember, we need to create something called tables. So data will be stored inside tables only, like this. Now we are able to install SQL Server multiple times. So we need to give some name. I said SQL School lab, online lab, something like this. Give some name. Every time you install SQL Server, give a name. And this SQL servers can be accessed from various components. Let me show you here. This is important for our examples. We can access SQL Server from number one. First tool that we are installing right now, today in next few minutes, called SSMS. This is the first tool that will be learning to connect to SQL Server. We can also connect from Excel. I'll be showing you very shortly how to connect from Excel, regular MS Excel. Next, we can also connect from Azure. We can connect from Power BI. In fact, throughout our course, we'll be using the same server and Fabric. Of course, others as well. So there are different ways to connect and operate whatever server we're installing now. Okay, here it is. Just to make it clear, observe carefully what we are doing. Yes, we are connecting from various tools left side or components to the server like this. Something like this. I repeat once again, server contains database. Database contains something called table. Okay, so these are the databases. These are another database like this. These databases contain something called tables. Next, these tables contain actual data. Okay, remember this. Next, with this content, I'll come back to this diagram after some time. For now, let's continue here. Okay, we're installing the server. It needs a name. There are many people in the room. We call them by name, identify by names. Usually, here also name, employee name, employee ID, server name, server ID. Simple. And how many we can install like this? Up to 50. In my computer, I have these many, up to 50 possible. For now, next. I simply click next. Okay, next step, let's continue. From here, what we do, let's see. Next, just bypass that screen, next. Click add current user as administrator. Add current user as administrator, here it is. Next, we'll talk about other things slowly. For now, next. And click install. I'll repeat again. Please observe carefully. What is it we are doing? Download, extract. Double click on the setup file. Click installation, new installation. Select developer edition. Uncheck Azure. Check database engine. Installation name. Admin name. Add current user as admin. Install. That's it. You are done. I'll show you once again now. I'll close all windows. Firstly, what you do? Download. Right click. Extract. Double click on the setup file. Okay. Please, what next? Please, what next? You remember? You get one window like this. Okay. What next, please? Installation. Yes, new installation, right? New installation like this. Okay, installation, new installation. Let's wait for some time. Installation, new installation. Okay. Let's wait. We should get a new screen like this. See, you need to go down and check in the taskbar for the new screen. You may not see the new window direct pop up. You have to go down and check. Come on, friends. Are we clear so far? Please download, extract, double click, setup file. Please, please, everyone. Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Let's continue. Yep. Click next. Click next. Any questions? Let me know, please. Next. Here, developer. Next. Accept licensing terms. Next.
And check Azure.
Exactly. Uncheck. Next. Select database engine. Next. Database engine. Next. Give name. Any name is okay. Default instance mean you get a name. Friends, very simple. Friends, let me give you a small trick. Let me give you a small trick. Okay. And this will help us for today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I'll maintain this complete case sheet for the course anyway. Server is your house. Server is your house. Okay. Database is your room. House has rooms, right? Database is your room. Next. From here, whenever we construct a room, We have a floor and a camera. Database has a floor and a camera. Yes, database has something called by tomorrow's class. I'll show you by end of the class today, in fact, and we'll do it from tomorrow practically. Something called data file, like floor, and log file, like camera, CC camera in the room. Okay, this is one unit. Server is like our house. Database are the rooms. What does my room contain? Cupboard. Okay, remember cupboard. Cupboard has shelves. Shelves have actual items or goods, products, articles, etc. The items is my data. Shelves are the columns. Columns, remember. And cupboard is a table. That's it. This is a concept. Please observe carefully. Server contain database, database contain table, table contain column, column contain data. Remember. Now, here it is. My house has a watchman. My watchman name is admin. Remember. Back to my screen. Give some name. My house has a name by default MS SQL Server, or you give your own name. I'll say, for example, SQL School Lab. Okay, something like this. Give some name. Next. Remember, we are constructing the house. I'll show you the room and the floor and camera next few minutes. Next. This is my watchman. Okay, my house requires one or more watchmen. By default, one watchman for time being, that is admin. Okay, add current user as admin. Next, install. Once you install this server, next we need to slowly proceed for tool installation. Server installation will take at least 2 to 3 minutes. We need to install the tool also. Here it is. SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. This is a lifelong free tool. Just like a browser. A browser is used to connect to website. The tool is used to operate, connect and operate to the server. Storage, retrieval, management, etc. Okay, here. Go to this website link, download, you see like this, one file, double click and install. You go to this website link after the class today, you will see only one file, SSMS setup ENU file. Double click, start the installation. Here you go. Yes, download, you get a file like this. Double click and install. First time you see install option. First time you see something called install. Double click and start the installation. It comes like this. This will take 25 to 30 minutes. Server installation will take 2 to 3 minutes only. Tool will take longer time, up to 25 to 30 minutes. My server and the tool can be installed in parallel, no problem. They are independent, just like a browser and a website. We have tool and the server. Once we get these things installed, the tool will ask you to restart your computer. Once your server is installed, no problem. For tool, it will ask you to install and then restart your computer. This SSMS tool, the black box. Okay, after you install the server and the tool, next you restart your computer and then we need to verify the connections. Let me show you how to connect to the server from the tool. I mean how to enter the house. Let me show you. Simple and straight. Let's see. My server is almost done. It's almost done. Are we clear so far, please? Please confirm. I'll wait.
Yes,
Please.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Great. Let's continue.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. Let's continue. Once we get the server installed, of course, tool also to be installed. Just to save time, I installed the tool already. Let me show you how to connect to the server, this newly installed server. Go to Windows, search, type there SSMS. Type there SSMS, okay, like this. Type SSMS. And you click on this app, click. Once you click on this app, okay, next. Once you click on this app, friends, I assume we're all very new, okay? Let's enjoy it carefully. It's very interesting subject. Click on the app. And what we do, let's see. Here we go. Initially, we don't know the server name. Initially, we don't know the server name. Okay, like this. What we do? Drop down, browse for more. Drop down, browse for more. Then expand database engine, please. What's the purpose of database engine, everyone? Please, starting of the class today. Database engine, please. You remember? Database engine, what's the purpose? OLTP, data warehouse. You remember, please? I'll wait. No problem. I'll show you my notes again, okay? No problem. Here it is. Got it? Database engine for OLTP and data warehouse. Got it, please? I'll wait. Yes, everyone, please. Let's continue. I repeat again, okay? I'll repeat again from scratch. Observe carefully. My server installation successful. Close it. My tool is also done. Launch SSMS. Click. Launch SSMS. Okay, next. Once we launch SSMS, next step. Here, we don't know the server name. Drop down, browse for more. Expand database engine. Okay, here it is. Select the server. Okay. First server certificate, connect. So we are connecting to the server using add current user, I said, right? Few minutes back. That is Windows authentication. Add current user, that is Windows authentication, means only Windows users can connect to the server. Click connect. Just click on connect like this. See, we are connecting to the server. 16 means 2022, remember. 16 means 2022. What we do? Yes, right click server properties. Here is the place where we see the edition, developer, enterprise, express, like this. You will do these things after the class today. I'll share you the video anyway. I repeat again, right click server properties. This one, developer edition. Next. I said 5 system databases are auto created. Do you remember, please, everyone? Yes, I said 5 system databases.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We see only 4 system databases. What about fifth one? Hidden. What's the purpose? Let's see. Before that, I'll show you once again how to connect to the server. You will install SQL Server, you install the tool, then go to search, type there SSMS. Click. Type SSMS like this. Click. Okay. Now come on. Here it is. Very first time you don't see the server name. Very first time you don't see the server name. What we do? See here. Initially you see empty. Drop down. Okay. Browse for more. Like this.
Yeah.
Expand database engine. Select the server. Okay. First connect. Are you getting the idea now, please? Please, everyone, I'll wait.
Yes,
Please.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Come on, friends. How to verify the edition?
Yes, sir.
Right
Right
click
click properties.
Yes. Okay. If in case anyone installed it online, verify whether it is right or wrong for our classes, for our case studies and the project work. It should be developer or enterprise. Developer better option. If it is express edition, leave it there. Simply follow my example today and instructions today and install once again. We can install up to 50 times, right? So install a new one today. It should be fine. Next, expand databases. See, 4 plus 1 database. Total 5 system databases are available. What's the purpose of these databases? Let's see. I'll scroll down. So in your class notes, you will see how to download, install, browse for more, database engine, and connect. Once you connect, then next step. Let's see carefully here. What is it? Connect. Here, our requirement. Let me scroll down. Just wait. Just wait. Please hold on. Please wait. Yes, I'll make it simple. Yes, let's continue. Once we are done with the connections part, Then next step, we need to have the version checks. First item, connection. Second item, how to check or verify version of SQL Server. Once you connect to the server, we see the version number beside the server name. 16 means 2022, 15 2019, 14 2017 like this. How to check or verify the edition of SQL Server? From SSMS tool, once we connect to the server, right click server properties. Okay. On right side, we see the edition. See here. I'll repeat once again. I'll repeat again. See, right click server properties. There you see the edition. Next. Then we have system databases. Whenever we install SQL Server, a set of 5 system databases are auto installed. Remember, what is it? A set of 5 system databases are auto installed. What's the purpose of the system databases? Let's see. Friends, I assume we are all very new. Let's observe it carefully. Okay, here it is. First one, master. This system database is used to control authentication to the server. Authentication means connection. So control all other databases. So master is like my head of the server. Model, template for new databases we create. What is this? Very simple. I said database is like a room, right? From our tomorrow's class, we'll start creating new databases. Whenever I construct a room, I get one floor and a camera. Okay, like this: floor, data file, storage, and log file, camera, monitoring. In model database, we can customize in such a way. Whenever we create new database, we want multiple data files, multiple log files. We can customize it. So that's the purpose of model database. It acts like a template, prototype for new databases we create from tomorrow. Then MSDB, like a first aid kit, used by database administrators for repairs and troubleshooting. TempDB, used by everyone, developers, engineers, analysts, and even by DBAs for calculations and tuning operations. So TempDB is like my pocket, temporary storage. Master is my head. Model, a template for new items like my passport size photo. MSDB is like my first aid kit. TempDB is like my pocket. Resource database is like my heart, hidden, responsible for pumping the blood, allocating processor and memory for our day-to-day operations. The processor is responsible to supply compute power for queries. What is that? Remember, it's all about processor and memory in your computer that will decide the performance. The processor and memory are attached to resource database. Resource is attached to master, master to other databases. That's the concept. I repeat again, friends, let's observe it carefully. Here you go. Now I'll put this one. Okay, something like this. You have your server like this, in this way. Okay. Apart from servers, you also have processor memory. We call them as resources. This is very, very important for us for tuning concepts. Resources. Also called compute. Technical term, compute. What are the resources you have? Yes, we have something called processor and memory. Okay, I'll take it as P means processor for now, for time being. And other one called memory, M. Okay, processor, memory, these two. This processor and memory are directly connected to resource. Resource is a hidden database. Resource is a hidden database. Okay, and it's like this. Processor memory connected to resource. From resource comes master, the godfather for all other databases. Resource to master. From master, you have connections to other databases, model, MSDB, TempDB. Observe carefully. Okay, like this. So total 5 system databases. It is from this master, your connections to model, connection to see here, MSDB, and next TempDB, and next to all other databases like this. Okay, in this way, observe carefully. By heart all these new mantras, right? Please observe it carefully, by heart them for tomorrow's class. I repeat, in your computer, okay, this is your computer. I'll put this way. In your computer, you have number 1 like this, okay? You have number 1 server. Number 2 server contains master resource, master, model, MSDB, MDB. These are all system databases. Plus we have our own user databases. So all these are system databases. Next, we also have something called user databases. This one. With this, we'll stop for now. From tomorrow, we'll slowly start learning about user databases creation process, data storage, and other things. Please go through it carefully. Any questions, let me know. I'll wait. Go through the diagram carefully now. Any questions, please? I'll wait. I'll compose an email now with all this content. Please go through it carefully. I'll wait. Fine. I'll send
Sir,
you
how
one
to
assignment from today's. Please wait, my dear friend. Please don't mind. Please wait. Friends, I'll send you an assignment from this class today. Can I expect you to submit assignment before tomorrow's class, please? Will you try? Please. Please.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
wait. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And one small thing, friends. Few questions will be outside the notes. Is it okay? Please, is it okay for learning purpose?
Yes. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes.
But all answers within the notes. Double okay? Really? Getting it? Questions outside the notes, answers within the notes. I mean it. Please practice the things very, very carefully. I'm supposed to ask only on what I actually teach you. That's my policy. I don't want you to Google something and get me wrong answers, really. Yes, Google can be used for multiple purposes. If you are searching online, make sure it is authenticated, verified, proved information, then you trust it. For majority of my outside the box questions, my notes will be the Holy Bible that can give you the answer. If you go through it multiple times, please. My questions outside the notes, answers within the notes. Throughout the course, let's get an extra line of knowledge, please. Help me. We'll stop for today. And I was talking about server like house, room, cupboard, shelf, right? That example really works for next 2 classes. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Okay, with this we'll stop for now. And I need to compose the email. Please bear with me for a few minutes. Yes, you'll be submitting all your assignments on this website link from today. Please give me a few moments time, okay? I'll call it as database introduction. I'll include yesterday's video also for everyone, just in case. And installation notes. Intro class video. Yesterday, just in case to make it clear. Today's video, my team will send it in next few minutes. Notes attached. I'll be doing this notes part, and I have to provide you the assignment also. Please give me a few moments time. This is yesterday's class and assignment in case if you are missing it. Today's class and assignment. And where you submit on this website link. Please bookmark this one. Kindly submit your daily assignments and weekly case studies you need to do on this website. My team will do the needful. And you can reach my team or me for your technical questions, errors, etc. Okay, here it is. This is my team number. Just in case, okay, to make it clear. Or me directly. Just to make it clear, okay. Next.
So could you share the WhatsApp group link again?
It's not WhatsApp group, sir. We don't have any WhatsApp group. We don't do that. Okay.
WhatsApp channel.
WhatsApp channel, okay, my dear friend. Okay, for the interview questions and all, you mean, right? Is it? Are you talking about the daily?
Yes.
I mean, interview
Yes.
questions and all, right? Oh, definitely, my dear friend. Please wait. Just wait. Just wait. I can do it for you. Please wait. Yeah, I'll include that particular item also for you. I'll do. I think where it is. Yes. Done. I'll be including the WhatsApp channel for you just in case. Okay, please join. And this one for job updates and interview questions, videos. Okay, just in case. Well, I'll be sharing you all this content now. Please bear with me for another few seconds. I'll do. Done. Emails and please check it, friends. We'll stop for today. Email sent. Please check. We'll stop for today. You'll practice the items carefully, please. Email sent. Please check. I'll wait. Thank you and hope you received the mail. Please confirm. Please check it before I leave for the day. Please. We'll stop for today.